Good morning, students. So let's continue with the problems. Take down illustration 14. Find the mode from the following data: 8, 10, 5, 8, 12, 7, 8, 9, 11, 7. So first thing, we need to arrange it in ascending order. So it is 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So which number is repeated highest number of times? It is 8. So write down. An inspection of the series shows that the value of 8 occurs most frequently in the series. Next line, therefore mode, that is Z, is equal to 8. Take down illustration 15. From the following data, determine the mode by grouping method. So we need to find out the mode with the help of grouping method. So we will be having grouping table and analysis table. So first, grouping table for the estimation of mode. How many columns do we have? We have 7 columns. So the first column is size, then we have frequency, column 1, then we have column 2, that is 1 plus 2, column 3, 2 plus 3, column 4, 1 plus 2 plus 3, column 5, 2 plus 3 plus 4, column 6, 3 plus 4 plus 5. So size from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Frequency, whatever is given in the question, 2, 3, 6, 12, 20, 24, 25, 7, 5, 3, 1. Next is 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 6 plus 12 is 18. 20 plus 24 is 44. 25 plus 7 is 32. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then we have 2 plus 3. So it is 3 plus 6, 9. 12 plus 20 is 32. 24 plus 25, 49. 7 plus 5, 12. 3 plus 1, 4. Next we have 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 plus 6, 11. 12 plus 20 plus 24, 56. Then we have 25 plus 7 plus 5, that is 37. Next column is 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 6 plus 12, we get 21. 20 plus 24 plus 25, 69. 7 plus 5 plus 3, 15. Next it is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So it is 3 plus 6. So it is 6 plus 12 plus 20, that is 38. 24 plus 25 plus 7, 56. 5 plus 3 plus 1, that is 9. So in every column we need to mark the highest number. So in the frequency column it is 25, second column 44, then it is 49, 56, 69 and 56. After this we have to prepare the analysis table. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So first we have column, then we have heading, size of items, containing maximum frequency. So we have first column, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So in the first column it is 25. 25, the frequency is 13. So tick 13. Next it is 44, that is 20 plus 24, so 11 and 12. Next we have 49, 24 plus 25, so 12 and 13. Next it is 56, 12 plus 20 plus 24, so 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. Then it is 69, that is 20 plus 24 plus 25, so 11, 12, 13. And last it is 56, 24 plus 25 plus 7, so 12, 13, 14. Last column is total, 7 nil, 8 nil, 9 nil, 10 is 1, 11 3, 12 5, 13 4, 14 1, 15 16 17 is nil. So which is the highest frequency? It is 12. So write down, as 12 occurs the maximum number of times, mode is equal to 12. Clear? Next, take down illustration 16. Calculate the mode from the following data. They have given us wages and number of workers. So which number is repeated highest number of times? It is 30. So next line, write down, as the class interval 15 to 20 has highest number of frequency, that is 30. Therefore, modal class is 15 to 20. So what is the formula? Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So 15 to 20, 30 is F1, 15 is F0, 20 is F2. What is I? 15 to 20, that is 5. And what is lower limit? It is 15. So 15 plus 30 minus 15 into 2 into 30 minus 15 minus 20 into 5. So it is 15 plus 15 divided by 60 minus 35 into 5. So it is 15 plus 15 divided by 25 into 5. 15 plus 3, that is 18. Therefore, mode is equal to 18. Take down the next illustration. Calculate the mode from the following data. So they have given us inclusive class interval. We need to convert into exclusive. So first column is class interval. Then we have frequency. So it will be 19.5 to 24.5, 24.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 34.5, 34.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 44.5, 44.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 54.5, 54.5 to 59.5. Frequency will be as it is: 3, 5, 10, 20, 12, 6, 3, 1. So which is the highest number? It is 12. So as the class interval 34.5 to 39.5 has highest frequency, that is 20. Modal class is 34.5 to 39.5. So F1 will be 20, F0 is 10, F2 is 12. So what is the formula? Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So it is 34.5 plus 20 minus 10 divided by 2 into 20 minus 10 minus 12 into 5. So it is 34.5 plus 10 divided by 40 minus 22 into 5. So it is 34.5 plus 2.78, that is 37.28. Therefore mode is equal to 37.28. Next, take down illustration 18. The mode and mean are 26.7. So Z is 26.6 and mean, that is x bar, is 28.1. Find out the value of median. So what is the formula? Z is equal to 3m minus 2 mean. So we know Z. 26.6 is equal to, we don't know median, we know mean. 2 into 28.1. So 26.6 is equal to 3m minus 56.2. So 26.6 plus 56.2 is equal to 3m. So 3m is equal to 82.8. M is equal to 82.8 divided by 3, that is 27.6. Therefore, median is equal to 27.6. Next, take down illustration 19. Calculate the median of the following data. So first column will be serial number and next will be X. So how many values are given? 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. So 15, 20, 20, 23, 23, 25, 26, 27, 35 and 40. So median is equal to n1 plus 1 divided by 2th item. So n is how much? 10 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 5.5 item. So it is size of 5th item plus size of 6th item divided by 2. So which is the 5th item? 5th and 6th. 23 plus 25 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2, that is 24. Therefore median is equal to 24. Next, take down illustration 20. Find the median marks from the following data. So they have given us marks, number of students, that is frequency. So we have to find median, which means we need to find cumulative frequency. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 8, 30, 40, 12, 10. So n is equal to 100. So 8, 30 plus 8, 38. 40 plus 38, 78. 78 plus 12, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. So m is equal to n by 2 item. N is 100 by 2, that is 50th item. Go to cumulative frequency. 50 means it will be, next cumulative frequency is 78. Therefore median class is 20 to 30. So frequency will be 40. CF is 38. So what is the formula? M is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. 20 plus 50 minus 38 divided by 40 into 10. So it is 20 plus 12 divided by 40 into 10. 20 plus 3, that is 23. Therefore median is equal to 23. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.